Moin, ich sind dann von Luxembourgish with Anne. Now, this is a pronunciation lesson. Luxembourgish pronunciation is challenging. There are many exceptions, and a number of words are not pronounced the way their spelling would suggest. Take, for example, this word. How would you pronounce it? Juice, juice, juice. Well, it is pronounced jus. And why? Well, this is a word we took over from the French language. In French you have un jus, and in Luxembourgish we pronounce it so the same way, jus. Now in this Luxembourgish pronunciation lesson, I will show you how to pronounce 10 common words. Now these words that I have chosen are often mispronounced because they are foreign words, so words which took over from other languages such as jus, or because of the combination of letters or sounds in Luxembourgish. In fact, the letters that you see are not pronounced and do not sound like you think they should. Let's get started. Now, listen to the words I will pronounce and repeat them after me. Prêt? Dan los! Let's start with dag. Now, did you hear how I pronounced it? Dag. Now, many of my students pronounced it dag or dag, which is not correct. So the final letter G is not pronounced G, but it is more pronounced as in machen, so you have the soft sound. Dag. Houd as net mijn dag. Houd as net mijn dag. Word number 2. Clienten. Now this is the plural of client, client. So the C is pronounced K and the final T is silent. And to build the plural you add n. And so we have clienten. And don't say clienten, clienten or clienten. No. So as this is as well a word we took over from the French language, we will pronounce it as in French. So in the singular, client, and in the plural we would add un. So we have clienten. Listen and repeat after me. Clienten, clienten. And we have seen before jus, so the plural is juen, or restaurant, and the plural is restaurants, or rapport, and the plural rapporten. Okay? The next word, cour, cour. Now this is a word which is so often mispronounced. So it is not course or course or cour. No, no, no. So as this is as well a word we took over from the French, the final S is silent. And this sound is pronounced W, as in the word moe, tomorrow. So we have cour. Listen and repeat after me, cour. And the plural is pronounced kuren, kuren. Easy, isn't it? Einfach, oder? Now let's move on to the word number 4. Lützeburgisch. Now this one is really challenging to pronounce because it is not pronounced as it is spelled. Listen and repeat after me. Lützeburgisch. Lützeburgisch. Now as you can hear, the letter G is not pronounced here. It is silent. And the vowels U, E are not pronounced W, but more than Oi. So, Lützeburgisch, Lützeburgisch. Okay? Let's repeat again. Lützeburgisch. Ich lehren Lützeburgisch. Great. The next word. Staat. Listen and repeat after me. Staat. Good. Now here you have the paired consonants S and T, and these sound like st. So this is the st sound. And the final D is pronounced here like an T, so t, t. So we have Staat. Staat. Okay? And Stadt can mean a city, or here in Luxembourg, this means our capital. So Luxembourg City is called Stadt. Ich schaffen an der Stadt. Ich schaffen an der Stadt. Next word. Now, how would you pronounce this? Well, it is pronounced Obst. Obst. Now I hear many students say Obst, Obst, Obst. So many different pronunciation. And it is really a word which is difficult to pronounce. So the first two vowels, U and E, are pronounced W. W. Okay, so you slide from U to a W, and the B here is pronounced like a P, P, like a P, so whip. And the two consonants ST here are not paired, so you have to pronounce them like in English, st, st. Okay, so you have not the st sound as in Stadt. Let's repeat. Obst. Obst. Let's move on. How would you pronounce this word? Zug. Zug. So here we have the letter Z, which has in Luxembourgish the ts sound. Ts. Zug. And we have the pair consonants C and H, which are pronounced here as in the verb machen. So you have the ch sound. So this is Zug. Repeat after me. Zug. Good. The next word is Samstag. Samstag. Now, this is as well a little bit tricky to pronounce. So you have the paired consonants S, C, H. And these are pronounced in Luxembourgish sh, sh, samsch. Okay? And the final letters E, G are pronounced as in ush. Okay? So you have Samstag. Samstag. Now, I know that a lot of native speakers don't say Samstag, but they say Samstag, which is as well correct. So if you cannot pronounce Samstag, pronounce it Samstag. That's correct as well. Good. Word number 8. 16. 16. Here we have the two vowels E. And these are pronounced y. So you slide from the E to the y, y. And then we have the CH sound, which is pronounced here as in the word ush. Okay, so you have the sh sound. And this is ziesh, ziesh. And then it is followed by the letter Z, which is pronounced ts. And so we have zieszceng. Repeat after me, zieszceng. Easy. Okay? And let's finish with our last word. And this is college. Okay? So say college, not colleague, as I often hear. So we have the two vowels E, which is pronounced E, they are long E, and the final G is not pronounced G, it is pronounced Sh, okay? College, college. And the plural is collegian. And here the G sounds more like a J, like a J, collegian. Good. And now let's practice. Now in this exercise, you will see a sentence with one or two words in red and try to find out how to pronounce these words. Bereit? Los. Hier is Satz Nummer 1. Hopefully you've got een verhoud met 2 cliënten aan de stad Iersen. Een verhoud met 2 cliënten aan de stad Iersen. Satz 2. Dit is, iessen aldag Obst. Iessen aldag Obst. Satz 3. Dit is, wir hun haut iwwer Grammatik am Kur geschwart. Wir hun haut iwwer Grammatik am Kur geschwart. Satz 4. Now I hope you've got Ich lehren aldag Lützebuergisch. Ich lehren aldag Lützebuergisch. Satz 5. Dat kost 16 Euro. Dat kost 16 Euro. And here is your last sentence. Mein Mann fährt Samstag mit 2 Kollegen an die Vakanz. Mein Mann fährt Samstag mit 2 Kollegen an die Vakanz. Well, this is my official list of the words that you are probably mispronouncing. And I didn't just make that list up. I built that list over years of coaching Luxembourgish to students who want to improve their Luxembourgish pronunciation. So there are words that students consistently get wrong. And your homework is to listen and to repeat and to practice these words. And you can get more training inside my Luxembourgish pronunciation online course. Now, there is no better way to practice and improve your Luxembourgish pronunciation than with my Luxembourgish pronunciation online course. There you will learn the different vowel sounds such as U, or the pair consonants such as sh or x, as well as the 7 different sounds of the letter G. Okay? So if you want to speak natural and fluent and gain confidence, then check out my complete pronunciation online course. And with this course, you will as well gain confidence to speak with ease in any Luxembourgish language test. So what are you waiting for? Check out the link I put in the show notes below. Merci für Luisteren. Thank you for listening.